Welcome back to the Crypto Report, everybody. I am Crypto Kip, and today we do have some breaking news for you guys about the Crypto.com exchange. Another regulatory win for the exchange, just adding to the array of different victories that they've had throughout the bear market. Today, we're going to look at the CRO Coin price because I do believe there is an imminent explosion coming for the price of CRO, given the very exciting pumps that we've had out of Bitcoin. Bitcoin breaking above $42,000 today. Really insane pumps, and there are a lot of big movers. CRO Coin is among some of the top. There are some 50-40% gainers on the day, some that we've actually been talking about on the channel, and you feel like you're missing out, guys, well, then make sure you smash the like button, subscribe to this channel, and turn on the notification bell so you guys can stay posted with each of the videos that we're putting out every single day to keep you guys aware of what is moving and what comes next in these crypto markets as we get in. Of course, not financial advice, but we've been in this market since 2016, and there's certainly a lot of opportunities, and CRO could be one of them. Let's talk a little bit about it. Now, I said there's a lot of big movers today. You can see Ordinals is at the top of that list. We actually did a video about Ordinals for you guys a couple times, once 6 months ago when I first called it out, when it first launched, and then just in the last week, and now we are up 156% over the last 7 days. A beautiful prediction, if I do say so myself. But looking at Kronos, you're actually going to see that it is up to rank number 29 as of today, and this is in the top, what is this, about 15 coins performing on the day, up 5%, currently sitting at $2.4 billion. Now, part of the reason for this pump might be this news story, but it is likely the broader bullish market that we're seeing right now. Put out this tweet earlier today, bullish stories at bullish times, CRO fam. Let's break $2. Now, I would like us to see a $2 breakout at some point in this bull market, but still a long way before we probably get there. But these are the right steps in the right direction, exactly what we'd like to see. And again, bullish stories at bullish times. These are the kind of things that can actually move the market for Crypto.com. Crypto.com tweeted this out earlier today. We are proud to announce that Crypto.com, a little typo, they got to put a space between that, has been authorized as an electronic money institution by the UK's Financial Conduct Authority, building on our position in the UK market. Full details, let's take a peek at them. Crypto.com receives authorization as an electronic money institution from the United Kingdom's Financial Conduct Authority. This is the latest win for Crypto.com, offering more crypto to people in the UK. This goes into the details. They got 80 million users, and I think they're going to have a heck of a lot more by the end of this next bull cycle, especially if they continue to add country after country and allow themselves to really get exposure to all these different markets with all the different regulatory approvals they've gotten. They're definitely headed in the right direction, folks. And certainly a key thing for this coin is the fact that Kronos is a rank 9 project when it comes to the total value locked up in all the layer 1s out there. Every layer 1 out of all the layer 1s, Kronos is ranked number 9 according to DeFi Llama, with $355 million locked up in the ecosystem. One thing we don't talk about enough is the history of Crypto.com and CRO, because, I just sometimes assume that everybody's kind of seen this, but it's very important to understand why this is so significant, this story about the UK, and all the steps that Crypto.com has taken, because there's a lot of history behind this exchange. It goes back to, really, they started with the Monaco cards. That's what this coin used to be called, Monaco, believe it or not. And it started with Chris Marsliak. He's a Polish entrepreneur, and it was all about Monaco. And the goal was to create bank cards that allowed people to top up cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum. Well, today, we still have that going on, and Crypto.com has their own Visa cards. Then there was the ICO, and then there was a first rebranding from Monaco to Crypto.com. I was in Crypto.com back in the Monaco days, which was back even in 2016, actually in like 2017, 2018. And so I've been preparing for this bull run with Crypto.com for a while. Monaco to Crypto.com, that was a big change, a little controversy, and then they launched the Kronos main net, guys. Our Kronos chain was launched, and then they launched the main net on November of 2021. Now remember, guys, this is a top chain we're talking about here. A top chain in the top 10. Launched in 2021. What else was, oh, by the way, it was launched in November of 2021. Okay? Now think about this. Here's Bitcoin. This is November of 2021. What was this point? It was launched at the peak of the bull market, which means immediately, sure, it had some highs, but then crypto had its demise and totally fell down. Bitcoin itself fell 75% to the lows, and we had the FTX collapse. Kronos survived. It hung on to its top rank. And now, what's my point? We are going to experience, if you're bullish on the Kronos chain, you're going to experience your first bull market for the Kronos chain. And so we're really going to get to see for the first time what this token can really do now that it has an established chain that's in the top 10 of all chains out there, layer 1 solutions. It's going to be a very intense time. And as we see this overall market cap keep moving up, and yes, the overall market cap collapsed in November of 2021 as well. This is right when Kronos chain launched. We survived, and it's moving up. And that is part of the reason, guys, that you do see Kronos in the top 15 coins moving up today. Now, a lot of people were losing their patience with this coin and feeling very bearish on the project as the bear market was brutal. But this coin is starting to tell a pretty darn bullish story. Ever since we came up off the BlackRock fake news for the spot Bitcoin ETF in October, Bitcoin moved, and so did CRO Coin. CRO Coin bounced beautifully all the way up to 12.7 cents, and we have been shuffling between 8.7 and 10 cents over the last couple weeks, which is actually a really nice level to be at. Now, I was talking to my streamer earlier today. Can we see a 12-cent CRO? Putting it out on Twitter, can we see a 12-cent CRO by the end of the day? I'm still going to put it on the table, guys, because Bitcoin is breaking out, and I'm not going to be surprised to see altcoins, good altcoins, rally in a hurry. We're seeing it right now. Why can't CRO get that pump? There's no reason. But in order for it to happen, we need to decisively break out above 10 cents. Certainly some good news with this story about the UK. Certainly a lot of good things coming for Kronos. I'm very excited about this project. I'm very bullish on this coin. I do see a $2 to $5 curl in this next bull cycle. The regulatory victories are certainly big. And the fact that the Kronos chain was launched at the peak of a bull market, leading into a bear market, and this is our first bull run with the Kronos chain live, it's pretty darn exciting, guys. And so I am looking at some altcoins in the Kronos ecosystem like Fulcrum, one that was just launched on Gate.io. I see a lot more exchange listings coming in the future for this token. Trying to kind of find a bottom after that exchange listing. Certainly retracing right now. And VVS Finance looks like it wants to absolutely explode. If this thing gets back to its previous all-time highs when it first launched, you've got a 10x. And I think it's easily going to occur because the market cap on this thing is pretty darn low. $145 million market cap. Really not that big when it comes to a top DEX. It is the #1 DEX on the Kronos chain, and Kronos is number 9 in all total value locked up. Now, we're going to need to see the Kronos chain get a lot more than $300 million locked up in the ecosystem. We're going to need to see a couple billion locked in there, which we kind of started to see right when they launched. And honestly, guys, I don't think that's going to be a problem for the Kronos chain to achieve. But please let me know what your thoughts are in the comments down below. What coins you guys are buying right now in the Kronos ecosystem. Are you buying Kronos? Are you buying Fulcrum? Are you buying VVS? Are you buying Tectonic? Are you buying other coins entirely outside of the Kronos ecosystem? Let me know in the comments down below, guys. I hope you enjoyed this crypto update for you. I am Crypto Kip. This is the Crypto Report. Don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel. And as always, folks, you got to remember to DCA, HODL, and of course, I'll see you in the next one. Thanks, everybody. Have a great night. Got 2 videos for you right here if you want to check them out. Peace, y'all.